So, first of all, welcome to DBA trainings on the behalf of DBA trainings and Oracle. I welcome you for joining the sessions on Oracle Cloud DBA course. So, what we are going to cover in this course? Let me introduce the course overview, and then we can go for the learning into deep level of knowledge with the Oracle Cloud infrastructure for the DBA perspective. So, Cloud DBA basically. So in this course, we are going to talk about how we can work with the Oracle database over the OCI. So whenever we talk about OCI, it is basically called the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So two terms you have to understand here. When we talk about the OCI have the two versions. One is the oldest version. Another one is called the Gen 2, which is the newest version. When we have started our journey with the Oracle Cloud, that time it was the traditional, which now called the traditional. That time it was the Oracle Cloud only. Now Oracle Cloud has a two release. One is the older one, another is the newer one. So newer one they are calling OCI Gen 2. So Generation 2. So we will work throughout the course with the Gen 2, which is the latest one. So in this course, we will talk about the Oracle Database Cloud Service. We will identify Oracle Database Cloud Service offering, what Oracle offer over the cloud platform. So this course is dedicated for the people who are already working with the Oracle database or who is working over the Oracle either on-premises or the cloud or any virtualization way for those people. Here we will identify the difference between the user managed and autonomous database service. What are the benefits for that? We will also talk about the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So cloud infrastructure essential part we will talk like the network, like the storage, like the user, which are mandatory for the DBAs. Of course, there is a separate course for the cloud admin, separate course for the cloud architect, but that course, the DBA part is the limited. So this course is dedicated for the DBA who want to enhance the skills over the cloud, over the Oracle Cloud. So here we will identify and deploy the virtual machine as well as the bare metal DB system over the Oracle Cloud. We will create and configure the virtual machine DB system. We will manage and monitor the virtual machine DB system. So it's simple like that. Whenever people will talk over the cloud, it's like instead of you managing the hardware, Oracle will manage the hardware on the behalf of you. Oracle is the only company till yet who give you the full control onto the database. If you will talk about any other like the AWS or the Azure, they are giving you the control with the limited access. But here you have the root level access for the virtual machine. Whatever you want to do, you can. You have the sysdba privilege onto the database system. Whatever you want to do, you can. But other PaaS service like the Azure or AWS, what they are offering, they are giving you some admin users type, but they don't give you the sysdba. They give you the like a DBA privilege, or you can create another account where you can assign this type of role. Why? Because platform as a service is the thing where platform need to be available. That provision will be given by your vendor. Here vendor means the service provider like Oracle or AWS or Microsoft Azure or any others like Alibaba or maybe any other cloud provider, you will talk those. Here we will manage and monitor virtual machine DB system. We will also understand and identify available database migration method. That was your question. Hey, Rajiv, I want to migrate the database. Of course, for this, there is again separate course for the migration where we will talk only for migration. But this course is the migration is the part where we will talk about migration method. What are the techniques you have to apply? What technique will you can use? In which case, which method will be the best? So those all we will guide you. After that, we will provide the overview of the what we have covered into this course. And before going to join this course, there is some pre-request for all participants have to fulfill. The questions for this, who can attend this training? Or you can say in the other word, who will be the target audience? So this course is designed basically for database administrator. Now database administrator, we will talk the Oracle database administrator. It's not like SQL Server or MySQL or Postgres or MariaDB. It's dedicated for Oracle DBAs. Since this course for the DBA, so we are not going to talk about database part like how to create a table space, how to create a data file, how to create the log files or the control file or whatever. But yes, we will talk how these things can be managed onto the cloud platform. That this course can be attended by the system administrator, like the OS admin who want to manage the database into cloud platform. Because in the cloud platform, what happened? The people will think click, 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 and the database will work, which is not true. So it's not only the creating the service. After creation the service, lots of the tasks need to be performed. So throughout the session, you will learn that one as well. This course can be attended by database architect as well. So any good architect who want to become the professional architect or enterprise level architect or data architect, they must attend this course. That will give them the clear picture about the Oracle database, how we can manage over the cloud platform. So that's another thing we can use. Last but not least, like the cloud architect, similar the database architect can also attend this course. That will give them the clear picture how they can play the architect level role if their database is running over the cloud, over the Oracle OCI platform. Now, what are the prerequisites? As I said, to get the best knowledge from this course, to successful completion of this course, you must have the general understanding of the cloud technology. Like what is the IaaS service, what is the PaaS service, what is the SaaS service. If you don't have, don't worry guys, I will be able to help you into that case as well. The people who are attending this course, they must have the knowledge of the Oracle database. Any versions, like minimum version should be 11G and it could be 23 AI now. So that one. So 11 to 19C, if they are working, that's good. 23 AI is not yet fully functional. That's why I have not mentioned here. They must have the basic understanding of the OCI. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure basic concept, they must be aware. If don't have, no problem, I will guide you. If people have the multi-tenant architecture knowledge into on-premises, that will give them the great help. So working knowledge of managing Oracle multi-tenant database will be the give like a help to them, will give them the more knowledge during the training. If you are not aware about that, I will always recommend you can go and attend Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Fundamental course. So this fundamental course, we will talk about the Oracle Cloud Platform. But no worry, if you have any questions, you can stop me at any time and we can discuss that point as well. If you have any questions, you can message me on the chat. You can message me and I will respond to you as early as possible for your queries. Let's talk about the course roadmap, how we can complete this course. So as of now, we are talking about the course overview, which is the chapter 1. Then we will give you the Oracle Cloud Platform for database over the OCI. So in OCI platform, how you can use the Oracle database, that one. We will give you the work around the proper understanding about the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So how you can start with the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. What are the essential infrastructures? Like if you are going to use database over the cloud, you need to network, correct? Without network, you can't access. So we will talk about the essential infrastructures. You are going to perform the backup. So we need a storage for that. We will talk about that. So what are the essential services we require to run the database over the cloud? That we will talk into module 4, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Essential. Then we will talk about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure database service. What type of database service Oracle is offering over the cloud, that we will talk. Later on, we will talk about the bare metal and virtual machine DB system. So what are the bare metal service Oracle is offering and what are the limitations for that, in which case you can use it, as well as we will talk about the virtual machine DB system, how you can manage that, what are the services you can use, those all we can get. Later on, we will create and manage the database over the virtual machine DB system. Of course, I can guide you the bare metal as well, but this course is limited because we are not going to use a dedicated bare metal server for our infrastructure. So we will talk about that as well, how you can use it, in which case you can use it, because it's a costly service, it's a dedicated service for you. So we will talk about that as well. We will be connecting to the DB system on OCI. So whatever database we will create here in this example, the same database we can create over the virtual machine, and then we will connect from the on-premises, we will connect to the cloud. So what are the technique for that? That we will also use. We will update and configure the DB system on OCI. We will also patch the database system. So for patching purpose, what we will do, while the database creation, we will use the one lower version. Why we will take the one lower version? So during the patch time, during the upgrade time, at least I can able to guide you how you can patch it, how you can upgrade it. So that's why we will use in the module 10, patching a DB system on OCI platform. Then we will talk about configure and monitor database on OCI in the module 11. So what type of configuration we required, what are the security measurements you have to take care, those all we will guide you, how you can monitor, which are the tools is available for monitoring, those. Later on in module 12, we will go for the backup and restore. So first we will guide you what type of backup will be supported, how you can take the backup, in which case what type of backup will be useful, and later on you can go and you can recover it, you can do it. Then we will talk about cloud infrastructure security. So over there we will guide you what type of security measurement you have to take if your database running over the cloud, over the OCI. Then we will talk about migrating Oracle database to OCI, and here, as I told, it's just an overview. Oracle is saying we will use it accordingly. What are the tools will be supported, how you can migrate it. So those all we will discuss it. For the practice, what we will use? So each topic lesson are reinforced with hands-on practice. That means whatever the topic I am going to taught you, you need to do hands-on. And for that, the practice environment, you have to use it. Be it your local system, you can connect via the laptop or desktop, whatever. But more important, you need a cloud account assigned to you that you can use. Also, you need a open internet connections. That means your company firewall or VPN won't work properly until unless it is not whitelisted. So we will encourage the participant to use the open internet connection. So that's about the course practice. So if any doubt, any question anyone have, feel free to ask. Stop me and then you can ask. So hope
Sir,
you understood.
yes, all the point I understood, but some network part I am not understand. Could
Of
you
course,
please
I have not taught yet. I have not taught yet. I have just given you the idea what we are going to cover. Of course, network part I remember you asked in introduction, so I will cover it with the deep level. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good.
Okay.
Thank you.